Hey everyone, and welcome back. I know it's been a while. Unfortunately, my laptop died. Yeah, it's dead. It's never ever coming back, and I had to build an entire new computer, which meant a whole new setup, and in the process, I lost about 99% of my files. Yes, that many. All gone. Years worth of work. Anyways, I'm back and I've been doing a lot of photography in the meantime, which has been good. So if you want to check that out, head over to my Instagram, Chelsea Liz Photo, and I even updated my website, chelsealiz.com. Pretty proud. Don't want to toot my own horn, but I don't know, I think it's pretty cool. Anyways, in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a pumpkin spice horse cookie. I included the recipe down below, so feel free to download that, and also I included a little list of ingredients you can use to create your own customized horse cookie. So if you can't have as much sugar, and your horse. If your horse can't have as much sugar, then it's perfect because you can kind of take the ingredients you know your horses like and take out the ingredients you don't want them to have. And yeah, so let me know what you create. If you use my list and create your own cookies, because I'd love to know what kind of concoctions you come up with. So let's get started. All right, here are the ingredients. I listed them down below for all you guys to check out. Preheat that oven to 350. And you're gonna wanna peel the carrots, cut your apples, and make sure you get all those seeds out. You don't wanna leave any. Don't want a horse to choke. Go ahead and shred your apples. I didn't peel them. Hindsight, I might actually peel them next time, but it still worked. So go ahead and do the same exact thing to your carrot. Now add the flaxseed. Add the steel cut oats. Add some molasses. A little bit of cinnamon. A little bit of turmeric. And a little bit of olive oil. And don't forget your pumpkin like I almost did. Once all the ingredients are in the bowl, mix it very well. And if you're noticing your batter is a little bit wet, you can add some flour to kind of offset that. Once it's all mixed, just add them to your cookie sheet. I use an ice cream scooper to make proportional sized cookies and bake them for 15 to 20 minutes. Once they're done, they'll look something like this. And drop a comment below to let me know how your horse enjoyed them. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Again, I dropped that recipe in the description below, so don't forget to try it out and let me know what you think. As always, thanks for watching and take care.